Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast that explores the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Our word of the day is consumer. Consumer is a B1 level noun that means buyer or user. Simply put, a consumer is someone who buys goods or services for their own use. It's a very common word, and understanding it will definitely help you navigate everyday conversations and texts. Think about when you go to the grocery store or order something online. In those situations, you are acting as a consumer. So, what are some words that have a similar meaning to consumer? Let's explore some synonyms. A close synonym for consumer is customer. For example, we can say, the customer is always right, or our new marketing campaign aims to attract more customers. Another synonym is purchaser. You might hear this term in a more formal context, like in legal documents or business reports. For instance, the purchaser is responsible for inspecting the goods upon delivery. A third synonym is user. While user can refer to someone who uses something in general, it often implies someone who uses a specific product or service. This software is designed to be user-friendly, or we value feedback from our users to improve our product. Now, let's consider some words that have the opposite meaning of consumer, in other words, antonyms. One antonym could be producer. A producer is someone who creates goods or services, rather than buying them. For example, this region is a major producer of wheat, or the film producer was responsible for managing the entire project. Another antonym is supplier. A supplier provides goods or services to others, including consumers and producers. For example, they are a reliable supplier of raw materials, or the company has a contract with a local supplier. A third possible antonym, although less direct, is manufacturer. A manufacturer specifically makes products, often on a large scale. For instance, this factory is a leading manufacturer of electronic components, or the manufacturer offers a warranty on all its products. Now, let's talk about how you can use the word consumer in your everyday life. Imagine you are talking to a friend about their shopping habits. You could say, she's a savvy consumer, always looking for the best deals. Or, if you are discussing the economy, you might hear someone say, consumer spending is a key indicator of economic health. You can also use consumer in phrases like consumer goods, which refers to products bought for personal use, or consumer behavior, which describes how people make purchasing decisions. Here are a few more examples of consumer used in sentences and phrases. The government is working to protect consumer rights. This product is targeted at the young consumer. We need to understand consumer demand before launching the new product. The survey asked about consumer satisfaction. Consumer confidence is rising. Consumer awareness of environmental issues is increasing. The company focuses on consumer needs. Our target consumer is between 25 and 35 years old. This law protects the consumer from unfair business practices. So, to recap, the word consumer is a B1 level noun that means buyer or user. We discussed synonyms like customer, purchaser, and user, and antonyms like producer, supplier, and manufacturer. We also explored how consumer is used in everyday conversations and common phrases. Thank you for joining me on this episode of Hello Word. I hope you found it helpful. Now, before you go, I have a small favor to ask. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover Hello Word and continue learning English. And here's a fun challenge for you. Create your own sentence using the word consumer and share it in the comments below. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Keep learning, and I'll see you in the next episode. Remember, understanding just one new word each day can make a big difference in your English language journey. See you soon.